Hey friends, welcome back. It's been a little while. I had some personal things I had to take care of, but now we're back. In today's video, we are heading south on a little road trip to go tackle a giant hot water heater. Let's take off. All right, so we've arrived way south in the county, and we're at a large house that's right on the ocean. The weather's starting to get inclement. There's some thunder, it's raining. Perfect day to replace a big water heater. All right, let's have a look at this heater. Ooh, there she is. What we got here? 80 gallon. Nice. Now looks like we got our work cut out for us here. Let's get the pump set up and get this thing drained down. Well, appreciate it.
You need to move again? On your way?
I don't know if you caught it when we first got here to the house and I showed you the heater. It had a large expansion tank on it, an oversized one. And we're going to put the same thing back in. They had it 45 and up, and the weight from it after a while started making it bend. So we're not going to put it back the same way. We're going to do it the traditional way. We put the T right above the cold inlet and bring it straight up. Now this new heater is much wider. It's still an 80 gallon. It's in a pan. And we're gonna have to kind of offset our lines coming in here. That dog's upstairs. It's a vacation house. Renters aren't here right now, but he hears us. Get that tightened down and we'll cut that in half and flip it over and use the other side for the first nipple. Alright, well, we've got our copper put together here. Now it's time to put our tank. Did you notice that I had taken the dielectric union off of here? We cleaned it up really good and we cut it back and straightened it so it's more in line and it's not apt to bend to one side or the other, because we have to put that oversized expansion tank on here because this is an 80-gallon water heater. Speaking of such, we're getting ready to put that tank on right now. Alright, on with the big boy here. Teflon and pipe dope. See, this is much better. It's straight up and down. And if this thing ever goes bad and fills with water, which will triple the weight, it's not going to stress any of the copper pipes on here like it was in the first place. You watched the beginning of the video how they had that offset to a 45, which is unnecessary. We're just tightening this down as tight as we can by hand. There we go. We're ready to fill this thing up. Got a faucet behind me so we can bleed the air out. Let's do it. All right, that's for the hot side. Let's go over here where the faucet is. We have it open on the hot side to bleed air. Let's go ahead and crack that open, see if we got any leaks. There she goes. Now we are going to continue a relief line down into the pan with CPVC as well. Like it's just about full, almost. There we go. There it is. Nice and full. I don't see any kind of leaks happening. All right, time to wrap it up by hooking up our power. Tricky little buggers here. Black to black. And red to white. Nice size, oversized wire nuts on there. There we go. Like that. And that is a wrap for 80-gallon water heater. Company sticker on there with the date of install. No leaks going on. Straight up and down expansion tank, which we pressurized as we should. No leaks. The electric union there went together the right way, and it's all full. Now we just got to turn the power on and get this thing heating up. Well, hey, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks so much for hanging out and watching the video. Speaking of such, by the time you watch this video, I'll have already been moved out of East Central Florida and out to Western Kentucky. And I hope to find work in the area at a local plumbing company and be able to continue bringing these fine videos to you. Got any comments or questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to keep plumbing.